Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.